Hey guys, how you doing? It's your girl Pardon My Beauty TV, and I'm back with another video. So basically, I'm gonna be washing my face and hair, doing skin and hair, and I'm gonna go from that to this. Basically, there'll be a better picture video at the end. So here we go. Right now, I am basically just getting everything together so I can go in the shower, making sure that I have everything I need, which I should have did before the video, but yeah, so I had to get it together. Now here I go. In the shower I go with everything on my face. I'm not gonna be talking much throughout this video, but I just wanted to give a little insight. Excuse the noise in the background. Clearly there's something going on in my block, so they're honking their horns. Anywho, so guys, you're just gonna basically see me washing my face first with the I have on a black charcoal mask, which I'll put a picture in for you guys. This is my company's mask, so yeah, no, it's not available for purchase yet, but just write me, or I'll let you know. I'll put my email down below, and then if you guys want to order, you can. So basically, I'm just gonna wash that off, and then secondly, I'm gonna be using the Clean and Clear Lemon light scrub, and it's basically just to clear up anything, brighten your skin, and honestly, I'm just using it because it's gonna help me get whatever else excess of the black charcoal mask that didn't come off my face. As you guys are gonna see as I'm washing, it'll just scrub everything off without it being like a harsh scrub. It's like really feels like little textures, not even like scrub hard like rocks or anything. So yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna talk that long in this video, but guys, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. I hope you guys enjoy, and honestly, I might speed this video up. So if it looks like I'm like scrubbing my hair hard or rubbing my face hard, it's because the video is sped up. But once again, thank you for tuning in to Pardon My Beauty TV, and enjoy the rest of the video. Okay guys, so I'm back. Yeah, so I had to eat first. I was debating if I was gonna blow dry my hair or not, but I didn't blow dry it, and then I was gonna plait it for you guys, but I really didn't feel like it either. So basically I'm using the Aussie leave-in hair milk, I think it was, or something like that. But yeah, if I love this product, it feels really good, and I got this from Target. And basically before this I did put peppermint oil in my hair, just like on my scalp, so it can, like, you know, won't be so dry, and it'll give me, like, you know, the little tingly feeling. I don't know, a lot of people don't like that, but I do. To me, it feels like the product is working. So yeah, I put a little bit of that in my hair. At least I have a little bit of oil in my hair. I don't need a lot. So then yeah, I put that in, and I mix it all around, make sure everything gets coated evenly. As you can see, my hair started to dry because, like I said, I was eating. And then yeah, basically I'm just running my mouth as usual when I'm doing a voiceover. So yes, my hair is different colors because I dyed my hair and it's wet right now. Anywho, so now I'm gonna be using the same product, but this is the leave-in no, I'm lying, this is the stretching cream. So I'm gonna be putting that in. It smells really good. I love the way both products smell, and I'm a big fan of Aussie. I use that a lot. So actually I use Shea Moisture a lot, but anywho, I use Aussie too. So yeah, gonna be putting that throughout my hair evenly, making sure I finger detangle like I did in the shower. Don't really need to use a comb or a brush for this, honestly. Just like get the product in there. If it still feels dry, then you just add some more. I know I be making faces sometimes when I'm doing my hair and stuff, but just don't mind that. I don't know, it's a habit. Scrunching up my face for no reason. And basically, yeah, so the rest of the video is just gonna be me yeah, finger detangling and rubbing the product in, make sure it gets in there good. I guess people call it, like, I don't know what I'm talking about right now, but anywho, so yeah, I'm just gonna be putting it in evenly, distributing. My hair has come around 360 and it's growing back nicely, and everything else. Maybe I'll do a video on my length check from where I was before and now, but not right now because I'm just like, don't be having patience. So anywho, now I am trying to think about, I guess, where my scrunchie is or whatever. So yeah, there's really not much else going on in here, but I know somebody had my scrunchie, as you guys can see in a few minutes. It's gonna get handed to me. Mind you, I was looking for the scrunchie the other day. Anywho, yeah, so just watch the rest of the video, guys. Not much going on. I'm gonna put my hair into a bun. You're gonna see me attempt to use the detangling brush and brush up the back, but then I'm like, forget it, because I don't have time. And then I just put in a scrunchie, and then I'm cute. I already put moisturizer on my face, so my face is not dry. And basically that's gonna be it, guys. I'm gonna end the video, well, the voiceover here, and I'm just about finished with doing my hair. If you want more hair and skin routines, then you can show me. You can leave a comment below and let me know what you guys would like to see, and if you want to know what I've been doing to my hair to keep it healthy, then I will do a video on that too. And stay tuned for more videos from Pardon My Beauty TV. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and all that great stuff.